This stuff, Derek?
You know I love this drain punch.
Have you seen anything like it before?
No, sir.
Awesome.
Déjales explico algo. Quise destapar un zinc con esto y no pude. Le metí el snake y no pude. Lo mejor es esto, el líquido. Se lo echan en 10-15 minutos, destapa la tubería.
We just got some drain punch here and we used it at home for a drain that's been blocked 2 weeks and worked fantastic. All right, so the wife's well pleased. Thank you.
Was that shelf full?
I don't know when, but we always keep a full shelf. That's just our cooking.
It just goes out of there every couple of days or so?
Yep.
Awesome. Hey folks, I want to give a shout out to all the people that have been calling and emailing over the last couple of weeks. The plumbers, the plumbing supply houses, the maintenance plumbers, apartment complexes all over Virginia and now other states too. These products over 4 years, starting with the drain punch, then with the pee-free and with the odor side, these are 3 go-to tools that plumbers and maintenance people are using, and frankly their success speaks for itself. These are better products, these aren't watered down, they work, they save you time and money. If I can help you in any way, just give me a message, check out my website, or give me a call. Thanks guys, and happy plumbing.